Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous class, we have discussed lesson 4. I hope all of you understand. Today we will start literature lesson 5, My Mother. It's a beautiful poem written by APJ Abdul Kalam. I hope all of you know who is APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the ex-president of India. So first of all, we will discuss about the author. Late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the President of India from 2002 to 2007, popularly known as the Missile Man of India. He was known for his dedication to science and commitment to professional excellence. Dr. Kalam had a multifaceted personality. Beside being a scientist and humanist, he was also an excellent writer. Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds are two of his very popular books. The poem My Mother has been taken from the Wings of Fire. Now we will discuss in brief about this poem My Mother. How the poet described beautifully about this poem. My mother is a child tribute to his mother for the love and care she showered on him. She infused in him faith in God, thereby giving him moral courage and mental strength. She made him grow into what he is today. Mother is no more, but her delible that cannot be erased impact on the mind of the child makes him remember her fondly. He looks forward to meet her once again in the another world on the day of judgment. It shows that how this child is so much attached towards her mother. Still his mother is no more, but he is still recall her so much. Now we'll discuss pre-reading tasks. The first part is of pre-reading task. God couldn't be everywhere, so he made mother. What does this statement mean? Because no, the God is mother is a very wonderful, or you can say the precious gift by God, because mother is next to God. Is the comparison between God and mother justified? You have to think about that, and you have to share a feeling with your class partners in the next class. The word mother brings up certain emotion in everyone. Think of some words that you would like to associate with the most wonderful creation of God, because mother is a wonderful creation of God, and write them in the web chat below. You have to write down few quality about your mother like that: loving, caring, honest, responsible, hardworking, honest, sensible, emotional. So many qualities are there. So you have to fill according to you. You have to fill this web chart. I hope all of you clear about the author and this pre-reading task. So you have to read this poem thoroughly at home and find out the difficult words. Tomorrow we will discuss in detail this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.